As you near retirement, planning your income is crucial. You've spent most of your life saving money. Now, you need to consider how to spend it sensibly. But achieving a steady income via your investments can be tricky. Companies can change how much they pay in dividends based on changing markets. Keeping on top of these changes can be a lot of work. The City of London Investment Trust aims to do this work for you. Investing in a range of companies helps the trust spread its risk out. Its expert managers monitor these companies, so you don't have to. And because it is an investment trust, City of London can keep some money back every year to keep its dividend topped up in difficult years. So far, this has worked. The trust has increased its dividend every year since 1966. We aim to use our years of knowledge to give you the freedom to live well.